Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we got another episode of Simple and Effective Tech. We got the Brigii H5 high-speed handheld vacuum. Now you can pick this one up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is $80. Now this comes in two different colors. You got gray and white. Alright, so let's go through all of the features. You got powerful suction. You got a 98,000 RPM high-speed digital motor. That's going to give you 18 kPAs of powerful suction. Now you got two power modes for different cleaning requirements. You get long battery life, so 30 minutes continuous charging on eco mode and around 13 minutes on high power mode. Now this charges via USB Type-C. So that means no batteries, no fancy plugs, USB Type-C. Now you got an LED digital display that's going to show you your battery level and your suction performance. It comes with multiple attachments. So you got a 2-in-1 brush nozzle, a crevice tool, and a multi-surface tool for different cleaning needs. Now it also comes with a stand, and the vacuum weighs around 1 pound. Alright, so all that for $80. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Now on a side note, if you watch my Simple and Effective Tech videos, one of my most used products is the Brigii M1. I use this one every single day. Every time I come down here to shoot a video, White Shoes be sleeping on the table, so I got to clean off the hairs. Y'all know I got OCD, so when I unbox products like this that have all these little white particles, y'all know I hate that kind of stuff. Turn on the M1, bomb, vacuum everything right up. Now, the difference between the M1 and the H5, this one is a lot bigger, okay? It's more powerful. You got a bigger dust bin, okay? Look, if you want to clean out your car, the smaller one is going to take forever. So now we got an updated version with the digital display. All right, so let's unbox it and see what it is. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. What we got today? Get to poking. Here we go. Rah. One more. Rah. Okay. All right, let's try that again. Oh, okay, there's plastic on the top. Here we go. Rah. Okay. Brigii, or Brigii, however you want to pronounce it, H5 high-speed handheld vacuum. Okay, so let's see what you got. Okay, no mess is big. I respect that. Okay, so inside, you're going to get your usual books and shit. Pluck them and file them. Read them at your leisure. See what else you get. Flick of the wrist. Now this is going to be your handheld vacuum. Okay. USB Type-C charging cable. Okay. USB-A to USB Type-C. Again, this is pretty dope. No specific special plugs that you got to go looking for. Charge up your phone and then charge up your vacuum right from the same cable. Okay, this is going to be a crevice tool. Get in between all those little corners on your couch. Okay, let's see what else you get. Now it does come with a base. All right, so this is going to work as your stand. Okay, this is going to be your multi-surface tool. Okay, and you got a 2-in-1 brush nozzle. Now I like this one right here. If you flip it up like this, use it to clean off your computer keyboard. Okay, clean your blinds, clean your drapes. Then hit the button. Let's figure that out. Hit the button, slide it back down. Boom, clean everything up. All right, so now for the actual vacuum. Let's see if we got any juice fresh out of the box. Hit the power button. Okay, so we're on 91%. Did your two different modes. Okay, let's open this up. Now you see it does have a little diagram to let you know how to open it. Okay, so we hit unlock. Inside, you got your HEPA filter. Okay, let's twist this out. Okay, nice filtration system. And look at the difference in the bin. Now, this is what I mean. When I clean up a little bit of stuff, this one is already full. Now you're going to have to empty this less. All right, so let's connect everything. Let's see. Anything else we need to look at this on this real quick? USB Type-C charging slot. Now, it takes about 5 hours to fully charge this up. Okay. Pretty much it. Let's take a look at that display one more time. Okay. And two different modes. All right, so let's set this up and do a couple of tests. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so real quick, here's how it's going to look on a stand. Okay, so you got a slot for all your attachments and a slot for the vacuum. Now let's make a mess. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now I got 5 things to try out. We're going to start off with one of the things that I hate the most in the world, styrofoam and little pieces of paper. Then we got some cereal. All right, if you got kids, you've seen this on the floor before. Same thing, if you got kids, you've seen potato chips. Okay, we got beans and rice. Okay, so I got the multifunctional tool on. Let's hit the power button. Okay. We want max power. Let's start off with the rice. Look at that. All of the rice gone. Okay, let's hit the beans. All of the beans. Okay, let's hit the potato chips. Okay, big chunky chips. Okay, now let's hit the cereal. Okay, and now the thing that I hate the most, styrofoam and papers. Just like that. Now if I want to, just hit the brush, turn it back on, just to get all the fine particles. Okay. Just like that. This is the definition of simple and effective tech. Now this costs a fraction of the price of a big Dyson handheld vacuum. $80 on this on a scale of 1 to 10. This is what you call a major go. Now I'm gonna show you how it works in a couple of other places. All right, so now let's do the same test on some hardwood floors. That's my DJ lights, if y'all see the flashing. All right, here we go. Let's hit the power. Okay. Let's get all the big chunks. Okay, we get the beans, cereal, rice, styrofoam paper, okay, and check that out, just like that. Just make sure we got everything nice and clean. Hit the power button. Boom, there it is. Now I had it on low power all that time. Let's try high power, but on the rug. All right, so now we're gonna try some carpet. This time, I got the multifunctional tool on. Okay, we're gonna do high power. Look at that. All that rice. Okay. Get the chips and beans. Look at that. Simple and effective tech. All right, now this is the main reason I got this vacuum for inside the car. Let's try it out. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. Now you got kids, they always leaving potato chips in your car. Vacuum everything out just like that. Now let's switch the nozzle. All right, so now I just switched to the crevice tool. Power this up, max power, and get all between the corners. Look at that, you see all that dirt right there? And all that stuff, all these papers. Okay. In between the corners. Just like that. Okay. This is dope. All right, so now let's see how easy it is to dump out this bin. Okay, just open it up. Pop off the filter. Take this out. Bang, just like that. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Brigii H5 high-speed handheld vacuum a major go. Y'all know my motto, shop smarter, not harder. This is the definition of simple and effective tech. Now, if you got kids, you got a car, maybe you're a messy cook, you got OCD, you hate seeing lint particles, you got a cat, you hate seeing cat hairs and cat food all over the place, maybe you got nice furniture, a nice office, a nice setup that you always want to keep looking nice and clean, this is a must-have. Okay? Brigii H5 high-speed handheld vacuum. And before I get out of here, ladies and gentlemen, extra late, but still great, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love
White
my
Shoes,
white shoes.
calm down. And this is, like I said, this is perfect for if you got a cat, because every time I'm about to shoot a video, I got to vacuum the cat hairs. Now we got a bigger model. Anyway, simple and effective tech. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.